All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So as you can see behind me, the Cybertruck is getting a audio upgrade. Not that it necessarily needs it. It sounds great from the factory. We're just gonna make it a little bit better. All right, so here's what we got. We have the light harmonic center channel speakers that are gonna go all the way up in the front of the dash. We have two new tweeters. These things are actually got some weight. It's gonna help out a lot. And then we have driver and passenger front subwoofers. Got some Dynamat, Amazon rollers to roll that on. But we're gonna also upgrade the subs and stuff in the rear. But for now, we're gonna do 7 speakers. And if you guys are interested in getting any of these products from Light Harmonic, I'll have a coupon link down in the description of this video, and it'll also be a pinned comment. But I'm going to show you guys how to do this install step by step. I'm a little worried about doing the dash, taking all that apart, but here we go. All the tools here, the sound deadening mat and the rollers, I'll have a link down in the description as well. I got all these off Amazon. If you guys do click these links, I am an Amazon affiliate, so I do get a little kickback, and it helps put money back in my pocket, which in turns goes directly back into making YouTube content. All right, so this is an absolute beast to get off. So you got to start prying around this piece here, okay? And you got to pop all these little clips off, and then you have 2 little wires here, and then another connector here. That's for that running light there. And then once you get that off, you just work around with a pry tool, a big one, and just start prying those out. And then once you get the bottom ones like close enough to being out, I just gently pulled. And then once you got up here, it worked its way all the way out. And then you have 3 8mm bolts that you need to remove, and then that'll allow you to drop the rest of the panel. But as you can see here, there's a lot of sound deadening mat too, so that's definitely good for the door. All right, here is a little size comparison. Here is the factory door speaker, like a little paper woofer. You know, very, very small magnet. You can definitely tell this is a way bigger magnet, and the cone is going to be a lot better. So having a bigger magnet already off the bat, you already know that's gonna sound a lot better. All right, I'm gonna show you the best I can, but I was able to reach my hand in here and put one entire mat of the Amazon Basic sound deadening. I wasn't sure how to remove this piece, and it seems like it's attached to the window track and how it goes up and down and stuff, but I was able to get one entire sheet in there. I test fired the speaker and got that done. I ain't even gonna lie, this was the test side, and I'm probably about an hour and a half, 2 hours to where I'm at now. So now I just need to throw the speaker back in and get everything buttoned back up. And then it's on to the passenger side. Hopefully the passenger side will go a lot faster. These are by far the toughest door clips I've ever worked with my entire life. All right, here is what the Light Harmonic speaker looks like in the door. It's in, and I just gotta put everything back on, plug that back in, and then the ambient light. And we should be good to go onto the passenger side. Yay. I don't know if I'm doing this right or not, but I was able to take this trim piece out here, peel this back enough to get to where the tweeter sits. So here is the factory Tesla tweeter, itty bitty little guy. And then here is the nice, you can feel the weight difference, Light Harmonic tweeter. That's going to go back in. I'm afraid I'm going to have to remove all this anyways to get to the center channel speakers. I'm not looking forward to that, but we're going to burn the midnight oil and get her done. All right, so we had to call in the cavalry. We had to get the neighbor over to help. I think it's definitely more than a one-person job. So starting here, there's a pillar that connects here, which then holds this down. So each one of these little spots here is where a clip goes. And then in the very back, there's a channel there where the clips go into as well. And then here is the speaker wire, or the power for the 48 volt speakers. And then these these got broke off. We're just gonna leave those intact, and that's just gonna rest and sit up there. And then I'll take you to the back of the truck and look at all of the clips that are on this. Come on, focus. Look at all the clips that are on the back of this thing. There's gotta be at least 20 to 30 clips. So we're gonna swap all those speakers back out, lay that back in, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, so here is the speakers that Light Harmonic has provided. And no, you're good, go ahead. What's weird is Tesla's got 3 plastic rivets here, so I'm gonna have to come up with some riveting, self-tapping screws and some trimming. I'm not sure if this was done because this is a foundation series or if any of the other series actually have bolts into this. All right, so we had to make a quick detour. We grabbed a Dremel from the neighbor's house, which is weird. Like I said, y'all let me know if this is just a foundation series thing. But as you can see here, the top of these caps is just like a plastic rivet. So we Dremeled the head off, and then we went and got some, what are those, 3/8? What size is that?
I believe they're, oh, I totally ripped apart. But I believe they were like,
yeah, anyways, we got some itty bitty.
number 6 by a 1/2 inch.
That's it, number 6 by 1/2 inch screws. And as you can see here, this speaker is solid and not going anywhere. I really don't understand why there weren't any screws here, but this is what we're rocking with. All right, what a chore. We got it all done. Passenger side door probably took 15 minutes tops now that I knew what I was getting myself into. Got the Amazon Basic sound deadening mat in. Yeah, let's give it a listen. I can't play it too long because I don't want to get copyrighted, so we'll do about 10 seconds, but it's legit. Sounds good. It's like half volume. Sounds so much better than stock. All right, so that is gonna do it for today's video. If you guys are interested in getting anything from Light Harmonic, no matter if it's your Cybertruck, Model S, Model X, Model Y, they got it. Save yourself 5%. We'll have a coupon code down below. And if you click the link, using my referral, I do get a little kickback. So if you want to directly support me, and hopefully if you found this video helpful, the biggest part is getting that center dash piece out. I couldn't have done it without my neighbor. So big thank you for that. And then I'm still not sure why those speakers were plastic riveted, but we made sure they were secure and weren't going to rattle. I've cranked this thing up wide open, nothing's rattling, and I definitely recommend that sound deadening mat for the doors. I can't wait to do the rear door speakers and the subs. I would definitely plan for about a half a day, and to take the centerpiece out, definitely a 2-man job. For my personal opinion, the A pillar, the side piece, it's an absolute nightmare. Best advice I can give you is don't be gentle with it. At the end of the day, it is just clips. We had like 1 or 2 break up there, but nothing to rattle. But if you're new here, smash that subscribe button, leave this video a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't like today's video, leave it a big thumbs up. I hope you found this video helpful. It was the most informational video that I could make for you all. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.